working with Oracle PL SQL and need to access a PKB file containing package implementation code. These files hold the executable logic of database packages. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to read and work with Oracle package body files. My experience tells me that some PKB files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. A source code file containing the implementation details, the body, of a PL SQL package in an Oracle database. Developers search for this file to view, edit, or debug the procedures and functions that were declared in the corresponding package specification, PKS file, which defines the public interface. This is a plain text file containing PL SQL code. The separation of package specification, PKS, and body, it's PKB, is a key design principle in Oracle for encapsulation. It allows the implementation logic in the body to be changed and recompiled without affecting dependent objects that only rely on the public specification. System file recognition for PKB is optimized for Oracle Database by Oracle Corporation. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows does not interpret code natively, so scripts rely on the right engine to run. Open the context menu by right-clicking your PKB file and choosing Open With. Try Oracle Database first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is vital. When a PKB file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. It's just a no-go for the main program. To narrow down the issue with the PKB format, start these 3 essential checks right now. First, opening an SQL Developer, install Oracle SQL Developer, free from oracle.com, and open the PKB file using File then Open. The integrated PL SQL editor provides syntax highlighting code completion and parser validation. Connect to your Oracle database to compile and test the package body with full debugging capabilities for development workflows. Next, compiling package code. Connect to Oracle database using SQL Developer or SQL Plus and compile the PKB content using the OS command pointing to the file. Compile the corresponding PKS specification file first if needed. Review compilation errors with show errors. Package body package name and resolve issues for successful package deployment. Finally, viewing in text editors. Open PKB files in Visual Studio Code with Oracle Developer Tools, Extension, or Notepad++ with PL SQL syntax highlighting for code review without database connectivity. These editors provide good readability for code inspection, while SQL Developer remains preferred for actual development work with full Oracle integration features. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.